Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Siri is not talking or available, it doesn't pick up your voice anymore, or it is just not responding after you upgrade your iPhone to iOS 17. As one of the most useful functions on the iPhone, Siri helps us a lot and it will cause some inconvenience if there are any problems with Siri. So let me show you how you can fix this problem. So the first step is make sure iPhone microphone is working well. Siri not talking back may be caused by the iPhone microphone error. If it cannot pick up your voice, then of course it won't give any response. Just confirm whether your microphone works by recording an audio or voice memo. You can simply go to your voice memo and record a voice memo to see if your microphone is working well. Then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure Siri has been turned on. If you don't turn on Siri on your iPhone, then of course Siri is not talking. Don't think this is impossible. Sometimes this circumstances just happens. You can simply go to settings, click on Siri and search and make sure the listen for Hey Siri is enabled. So if it's not enabled, you can enable it. It's just simple. Then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure your request is clear and precise. We all know that Siri may not take what you said when you spoke to it for the first time, but if you speak more and more, then Siri learns more and recognizes your voice better. Then move on to the next step. The next step is make sure Siri language is correct. If the default Siri language is different from one you are speaking, then Siri is not picking up your voice. To set the language, you can go to setting, click on Siri and search. Then you can click on language and set the language. Then move on to the next step. The next step is enable or re-enable Hey Siri on iPhone. If Hey Siri is not working on iPhone or it cannot understand you anymore, probably Hey Siri isn't enabled or Hey Siri is just not working on your device. Just enable or re-enable Hey Siri function to make it work. You can go to settings, click on Siri and search, click on listen for, and you can turn it off and enable it again to make it work. And if it's still not working, then the next step is switch on and off dictation on your iPhone. Siri not recognizing your voice may be result from the iPhone dictation not working. Just switch on and off the dictation function to make Siri rework. You can go to settings, click on general, click on keyboard and make sure the dictation is enabled. So if it's turned off, you can turn it on. Then the next step is restart iPhone to fix Siri not working. According to our experience, the restarting device often solves a lot of issue and simple restart will help you more. You can simply press the volume up and power button together to restart your iPhone. Hope this video helps you to fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.